Forecast flooding increase from moderate to major severity. Continues for the river until this evening. 12:30 a.m. Friday before was 14,456 CFS. Flood flow is 10,000 CFS. Moderate flooding is occurring and major flooding is forecast. The river will continue to rise in presence 16,645 CFS around 4 a.m. Friday. The river will fall below flood late this morning. Impact at 16,000 CFS. River will cause major downstream flooding to Sumner. Swift and deep flood waters will likely damage levees. Flooding will occur all along the river, including headwaters and other streams within and near the River Basin.